And so once I've added staff to the chat off organizational unit, it's automatically going to disable chat for them. Pretty straightforward. I want to delete Google Chat. I don't know why you'd have a reason for deleting Google Chat, but if you decided that you wanted to switch off Google Chat for your users and you're a Google Workspace user, that's pretty straightforward. You just go into your administration panel and you can go and switch off that service. All right, and so inside my admin account, I can go to apps. Maybe let's go to the overview. Each one of my apps has a service status. In our services, we've clicked into the chat service, and if I want, I can actually switch off the service, and all I need to do is hit Save Changes, and it's going to go ahead and switch that off for everyone that's involved here. Now, if I don't want to switch it off for absolutely everybody in the company, you can see on the left-hand side here, we've actually got different organizational units for different groups of staff. And so if I was to create a new organizational unit, and inside my organizational units, maybe I created a new unit and I called it Chat Off, I would switch off chat just for that organizational unit. And then from that organizational unit, I would add staff to that I wanted to switch off chat for. And so once I've added staff to the chat off organizational unit, it's automatically going to disable chat for them. Pretty straightforward. I love Google Policies, makes it really, really easy. If you're interested in some help with setting up Google Policies, or you want to achieve something and you're not really sure if it's possible to do within the Google ecosystem, well then just drop us a little note down below, click on the link and get a consult organized with our team. Let us know what you're looking to achieve with the Google policy, or maybe just even ask the question, what can I do with Google Policies? If you search our YouTube channel, I've got a couple of videos that I've created on cool things that you can do with Google Policy. So if you search for that, you'll be able to find some recommendations there.
If you like this content, please hit subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified when we go live or drop new content on the channel. Now, if you'd like to connect with us, hit us up on social media or join our free community group. All the links to that are right below this video. If you'd like to learn more about Google Workspace and the technology ecosystem, you can join our free Genius Academy by transferring your billing across to itGenius. Or you can join a Workspace Basics Bootcamp. Now, if you're a business owner and you're interested in an audit on your technology stack or your Workspace account, or you're looking to do a project in the tech world, well, you can take advantage of our free consultation. And if you need help right now, then consider joining Concierge or taking up a quick fix with our team for professional support for your tech stack.